meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. So I know a lot of people were kind of concerned about what looked like a funnel cloud.
Yeah, you know, and we got a lot of calls from this at the TV station earlier today. Happened around 1:30 out near Wall. And here's a shot Ashley Miller got of it. This was looking from near 306 and 87 over towards the Moretta area. And you see it looks like a funnel cloud, and that's actually what it is. We didn't have anything tornadic out there. These kind of form in a different kind of way, and we'll dig into that in a second. But there's first another picture here. This from Ann O'Reilly sitting at 87 and Fairview School Road. Of course, that's out by Wall, and you can see that picture there. And notice the cloud is small too. There's not really a lot of organization. This happens a lot down the coast, down on the coast. We call them tropical funnel clouds, and there's similar but slower processes that create them, similar to tornadoes, but they typically do not touch down. Because of the slower process, the lifetime of them, they'll spin up real quick, and then they'll really fall apart really quick too. So you may glance up and it's there, and then it's just gone. That can happen with these. But if they do touch down, they're generally weak. Not really anything to concern you unless it does touch down. So you can go out, you can look at them, but if they do touch down, of course, treat it as a tornado and be sure to take cover. Today, no issue with that. It was relatively harmless, but it did happen out there towards Very Best. We can see here, it's a storm report right here off 388. This is between Very Best and Wall. That's where that was reported. And now, just a lot of rain happening across parts of the Concho Valley. Not as much in the Wall area, but some good rain happening between Eden and Menard currently. The showers that were out there have really fallen apart, but we do still have a flash flood warning that runs until about 6:45 for Schleicher, Sutton, and Kimball County. Right there for these colors, or the area in the maroon there, is where that flash flood warning is in effect until 6:45. Got a good share of rain today, and especially down there towards Schleicher County. You see the rain that did push up, and then it got stuck out here around 11, 12 o'clock. Very heavy rain fell out there. And this type of atmosphere, the radar really underestimates what's falling, so it may look less heavy than it actually is. But you picked up a good 2, 3, even 4 inches of rain over towards El Dorado, also into eastern Sutton County, and that's where the flooding also occurred. Here in San Angelo, picked up about ½ an inch here at the station, and at Mathis Field, probably a little bit lesser than that. Take a look at your time lapse. You can see those really dark clouds that moved overhead. Lots of moisture in the atmosphere, and with all those clouds, we were only able to get up into the 70s and low 80s at times, and that's what tomorrow will look like too. It's going to be staying cloudy, keeping things wet, which may impact your Friday night football. After that, expecting a gradual warm-up to work back in. 75 degrees right now in San Angelo, 78 in Melvin, 79 in Ozona, and 78 degrees in Sterling City. Those dew points still in the upper 60s, lower 70s, so it's feeling humid, and it's going to be feeling that way all the way through the weekend. Get used to this sticky feel that's outside. And it's not just here. There's lots of rain happening over towards San Antonio as well. That's where the heavier rain will occur over the next few hours, and flash flooding out towards Midland, Odessa as well. We'll have our shot again tomorrow. We're in a little bit of a lull right now, but with the cold front around and all of this moisture in place too, we're going to keep those rain chances going until we can get all the moisture out of here. That happens as we go into Monday. 70% chance of rain today, a 70% chance tomorrow, and then slowly tapering off as we head towards Monday. Let's take you through time here on Futurecast, because I want to show you what will happen through the night and also into Friday. The potential for a few more showers to pop up as we go through the overnight hours, especially to our south. And then Friday in the first part of the day, expecting a lot of rain, potentially hanging on into the afternoon. But look what happens as we go into the night. It starts to push to the south and potentially clear out of here, although it'll stay cloudy and light rain will hang around. The good news is I'm not expecting any heavy rain for those high school football games, so we should be good there. Tonight, that's a different case. Heavy rain still possible, although I think we're in a little bit of a break as we go through the night. 68 degrees tonight, remaining cloudy with a few thunderstorms, about a 30% chance. And then for your Friday, 80 degrees, mainly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms, a 70% chance. But again, I'm expecting most of this to kind of weaken as we head towards your kickoff times around 7:30. 80 degrees on Saturday, a 60% chance of rain, 40% on Sunday, 10% on Monday, and then warming back up rather. I can't think today. This happens when it rains sometimes. 93 Wednesday and 94 Thursday with mainly sunny skies, back to where we should be to start off the new week. We'll be right back.